Hey ladies, it's your girl Latanya Styles and I'm back with another crochet install. Today's hair is Freetress Weezy Curl. This is my braid pattern for this style. It's basic straight back on the sides, but on the top it is rounded. So this is how the hair looks. It is so bouncy and soft, you guys. I can't wait to see how you guys are gonna like this. It is a short hairstyle that is done crochet style, and my client likes this because it's really easy maintenance. She could just get up and go. She doesn't have to really do nothing to her hair, and she gets the benefit of having a short haircut look without cutting her real hair. So stay tuned on how I'm gonna do this look. With this style in our local beauty supplies, we don't have no tighter curl than this. So basically I'm just working with what we have because we saw other styles that she liked, but the curls were way tighter. So that keep in mind, if you want a really tight curl, your curls have to be smaller than this. So I'm just working my way up, doing my regular 3-4 knot install. But when you guys start to do the back, you want to knot it about 5 times because you want it to make sure that the knot is secure, especially since we're going to be cutting this after. Alright, so I'm working my way to the top, and she wanted more of her brown 1B30 on the top, so I did that. And then she just wanted a little bit on the side, so that's why you see a couple of strands of brown on the side, just to kind of mix the color in a little bit. So this hair is really pretty. It's a thick texture, kind of like the wand curl texture from Freetress. It's the same type of texture, it's just a tighter curl. And if you ladies are afraid of a bigger curl, I do recommend trying the Curl Colon tighter curl that they have. I forgot the name. I think it's called the Tony curl, and it will be better for the sides. That's why I said in stores we didn't have a tighter curl, so we just work with what we got. Like I was telling you ladies earlier, if you are looking for a beautiful short easy style, this will be perfect. And it's starting to warm up, so I'm even maybe looking into doing this style. This is so cute and it's so easy. And for maintenance, all that I always recommend is a spray or shine for the crochet hair, because it kind of softens it and it helps it detangle if you get any knots. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like after all the hair is installed. We used about 3 packs. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start to give her the taper cut for her style. And I suggest you guys slow it down and just start with a little bit at a time, because with curly hair it does shrink. So you want to just take your time and start to trim it down until how short you want and how tapered you want this look to be. I forgot to include that you guys want to make sure that you pull apart each curl, because when I installed it, I did them in chunks and separated. So you just want to make sure that you pull apart the curls to your liking before you cut, to give it more fullness. So my client doesn't really like parts or to show her scalp like that, so we just kind of move some of the hair to the side. But if you want a more distinct part, you can do a whole different berry pattern to give it that straight part look. So now I'm doing the same cut on the other side, doing taper going down to give it more of a shape. And the one thing I can say about this style, because the curls weren't that tight at the bottom, that I had a hard time trying to make it look as natural on the nape area, because if you see, it's kind of sticking out. So what I did was I went back and I added more hair at the bottom, and I just kind of tapered it down, just so when I cut it, it doesn't look like it's just poking out. So that's a good tip. Kind of like add the taper the bottom hair down to the neck so it looks natural. So now that my client is satisfied with her hair, I'm going to spray this On Natural spray that I always use. I love it. Excuse me for looking a mess, by the way. I've been working hard, y'all. Look at how bomb that looks. That looks just so pretty, and it just gives it a shine, and it just softens the hair a little bit. So these are the finished results, and my client loves it. She looks so pretty. She came all the way from California because her and her girls love me. I love them, and I just want to say thank you guys for getting me to 2,000 subscribers, and comment some new videos y'all want to see, some new hairstyles. Thank you for coming and watching, and y'all have a blessed one.